Day 30. Oh my god. 30 day of a wait a minute. Yeah. Consistency work. But it's just the beginning. We still have many days, a long journey. So we still have 5 months. So now, yesterday we talking about the outbound. Today inbound. The inbound, which is you create a content for prospect clients, and then lead them to your link in description, so they book a call to you to get more about your service. But to make them believe on you, you need to add value in your content that you provide for universe. The content is one of the most important. Added a value content for the specific people in the niche you are targeting, and this way they will trust you more and believe that you are the guy who going to solve their problems. So pick platform. For me, I pick YouTube, and that's why I'm in a 30 day uploading consistency. So to training myself, actually, this was the most reason. So in YouTube, YouTube actually, or the algorithm of a YouTube, reward you when you are consistent, and punish you twice time if you inconsistent. And this is how the algorithm actually work. When you upload 10 video, uploaded some video and miss it today 3 days, I mean 3 days, it will punish you, and you will start like you just have the value or units of the value is just 5 video. This is how the algorithm work, and this way you create a consistent habit. Now, okay, to reward your consistency, you actually need 6 to 12 months. 6 to 12 months to see the result you want. That's why, first of all, you need to add a value for your niche, for your specific people, and be consistent for 6 to 12 months, uploading every day. I mean every week. It depends on your schedule of your uploaded system. So for me, I'm now say 6 months just to train, to put myself under the sun. I can I mean, there is no, for me, the most important point of uploading every day was 2 things: to build a consistent habit, and secondly, become fluent in talking, because you are going to sell, and the English is not my first language. How can I develop it? Only by practicing. So that's why you need always added a value and be be consistent, and added a value for people in your niche. And in pound, actually, you need to work 1 day a week. As we mentioned in a previous video, the core of your business is inbound system. Outbound will help, but slow result. The most fastest way to get a result is inbound. So 80% inbound, 20% outbound. 6 day or 5 day in a week in inbound, 1 day in outbound. So outbound content, include 8 components, 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 components. Oh my God, components. The first one is scheduler, where people able to book a call for you. So that the link you will drop in the description of your video or in your description in the platform you work on it. You upload how can I say it? Link in the description in the platform you upload a video or post content in X or LinkedIn. So you need to choose 1 to 2, just 1 or 2. For me, I choose 2 platforms, which is the first main one will be like this YouTube. Number 2 is LinkedIn. Funnel, that's what you need in the description or in bio in your page, social media page. A sales dedicated web that convert traffic into appointment. These you need, and you need also other things like sorry ideation system. How can you come up with an idea for a content? There is a system you need to build this system. Look at always the content that you niche looking for. When they how to solve problems, they want to solve the problems. Try to do those idea. We have a creation system. It's creation system actually. It's there is a key on the creation system. Perfectionism. You need to know that you are not perfect and avoid this trap. So keep doing, create a content, whatever the result. Number 2, you are afraid of other people judge you. Number 3, you as men will definitely make a mistakes. Even the professionals, they make a mistake. What about us at the beginner? Number 4, like I need to imagine that I'm explain the idea for my friends. So this will be more easier for me, not to the camera. Don't worry about your appearance. Value. People care only about a value, and there is 2 form of content: long and short. I mean long and mid. In education process, there is a long, which is more than 30 minutes, maybe hours, and there is a short, which is 5 to 10 minutes. And there is a 3 kind of it. 3 kind of a content in education, which you like now. I'm explain something. Try to explain something face to face. Number 2 is mirror. When I added some pictures or illustrated to explain the idea. Number 3, interviews. And after that we have storing. Where you go, you need to store your content and organize it. Like organize it in, like I'm going to okay, how to say it? I'm going to create 4 video a month. So added them in one field, like October. Inside it there is a for video, so store that and organize it. Number 7, packaging. Packaging is how you going to make it's how do you make a people you are targeting to click on the video and watch the video. Only title and the thumbnail. Title should be about what they want. Thumbnail, what they need. How can you say? People, you show them in a title what they want. Okay, the result they want. How to get to client. This is a result. The content should be about the system to get those to client. You understand? So always packaging it on what they want, and then explain what they need to get what they want. After that, we have a distribution system. Distribution is a system to distribute the content. This actually, let me explain a little bit. How you it's just the fundamental of doing something, like uploading the video, how to schedule it, how to write the title. For me, I'm reading all these a little bit. I am familiar with the YouTube, but I'm not a little bit with the LinkedIn. So I need to know about the LinkedIn, how to upload a post. How to post in a LinkedIn, how to do something in a LinkedIn. These are the distribution system that is a technique, more technical than theoretical. So uploading, posting, and sending video to email list if you have an email list. But in beginning you don't collect email list yet. And yeah, this is outbound.